I'm Brian Van
and Jeff Gibson
from Sport Bike Track Gear, sportbiketrackgear.com. We're going to do a video review today on a new touring boot from Alpinestars. It is the Rome waterproof boot. Jeff has a pair on right now, or I should say he has one of them on, the left boot, in a size 9 US. They relate that to a 43 Euro. How's it fit for you?
It's great.
And you're typically a 9 or 43. Comfort?
These are extremely comfortable.
Yeah, I noticed when you first slipped them on and started walking around and you're like, wow, this is solid. Let's talk about width on this. Wide, narrow?
This is definitely running to a little bit wider footprint. You know, I tend to have a pretty average foot. There's some room in the midfoot and in the heel cup of this boot.
Okay, so if you're known to have a wide foot, this might be a good choice for you.
Yes.
For sure. If you want to pan down, Josh, give an idea of just what they look like when they're worn. Cool Velcro adjusters on the side there. Can really kind of tailor the fit, which is nice, and we'll explain that a little bit more here in a minute. Look great when you slide the pair of pants over. Thanks for your help, man. Okay, let's focus on the Rome waterproof boot. This comes with the proprietary Alpinestars Dry Star waterproof breathable membrane. Okay. In order for the membrane to be effective, it has to be continuous all the way around the sides and then over the sole of the boot. And let's show you that right there. Okay. So this boot is waterproof right up to this point right here. Okay. Simply open it up, dip your foot in. One of the features I did like with this boot is the fact that it has 3 different levels of adjustment that are all, done with the Velcro here. Let's say that here in the, the ankle area that you're a little narrower, you can really kind of tighten that up quite a bit, okay? Top of the foot, same thing, you can snug that up quite a bit. If you need more room there, you can just open that stuff up. It's going to move for you, okay? And then just simply tighten the Velcro. Up here in the lower calf area, once again, you're able to gain a certain amount of adjustment. A boot like this, if you have large calves, is going to work for you, okay? Because it's not a really tall boot. This is more of a mid-rise boot, okay? Reflective insert here on the back. The heel cup is fortified. There's not a molded cup there, but it is fortified for sure. We're going to have shifter pads, fortified toe box, and if you just take a good look at this, you can see that this is definitely a little wider than some of the other models in the range. Sole of the boot, also a little bit wider, and you can see here in the back the treads are cut a little bit deeper, so this is going to be good if you're in some looser terrain too. You're trying to walk around. Bit of a wider footprint here. Going to be comfortable enough for long rides, comfortable enough to walk in when you get to your destination. Like I said in some other videos, we think Alpinestars is doing a phenomenal job right now in many areas, one of them certainly being the boots. I think they're pretty dominant right now in the motorcycle boot industry. We like the Rome. We think it's a great boot. I'm Brian Van from sportbiketrackgear.com.